everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
See that power? So first thing we're gonna do, I'm at my website. I'm gonna let you guys know what this is. This is the Champions Playbook merch. This is my merchandise. Whatever I'm selling is gonna be on here. So if you guys got a chance, check it out. I got all kind of stuff: stickers, hats, towels, women's clothing, men's clothing, stuff for sports. You know, a lot of people love sports or whatnot. A lot of things for different careers. So if you're getting into a specific career like handyman, you work out, everybody loves to work out. If you're a business owner, if you're a trucker, this has all that gear in the healthcare industry. Phone cases, just to let you know that, you know, you can support and you can have something, you can wear something that supports business owners and independent mindset. So when you get a chance, check out this website. Links are going to be in the description. Also, all Jeff's links are going to be in the description. If you want to learn more or if you want individual coaching calls, he does all those consultation type material. So all you got to do is hit him up on his links. Also, we're going to be linking his Cash App, things like that. So if you want to donate anything to him for giving you this information, that's his Cash App is going to be the same Cash App forever. So if you see this interview 10 years down the road and you say, you know what, I learned something from that. That was powerful. I appreciate it. Go ahead and send him something to his Cash App. You know what I'm saying? You can still send him a message and say, hey, I appreciate you. Here's just a donation for looking out. All the information is going to be down there. So definitely utilize that and tap in with him because he's,
Absolutely.
you know, we want to thank him for getting on here. You know, he's taking time out of his day where he could be coaching, mentoring, taking care of, you know, clients, but he's taking that time out of his day to holler at us. So we really want to appreciate him for doing that.
I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all get on the Champion Playbook and y'all get up in there, grab y'all some merch, man.
Living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You searching with healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all